please state your name and your position sa Mabalacat po.
I am Attorney Francis D. Maliwan po. I am the City Legal Officer of the City of Mabalacat.
Thank you so much po. Okay,
Chairman.
sige, Chairman Paduano, please.
So you're attorney. So you're officially attorney. So officially you were assigned by the mayor.
Yes, Your Honor. I was instructed.
As what?
As,
His council or as city legal? Municipal legal.
City legal.
City legal. So you have the full authority.
Yes, sir.
And if we ask question with regards to questions that should be addressed to the mayor, can you answer all the questions that we will ask?
If I am not a privy to the issue, Your Honor, I cannot answer them.
Yun ang problema. Why the mayor is not present today?
He has a similar engagement of equal importance. Sir.
And what is that similar, equally important?
I was
Schedule.
told his time to serve the constituents in Mabalacat.
May problema ka, attorney. That is not acceptable. Because everyone, lahat po ng mga mayors, and that includes us, we have also to serve our constituents.
I will really...
Kung kailangan 24/7 din. But of course, in this hearing, nandito po kami, iniwan namin yung mga district namin, yung mga provinces namin, sa mga cities namin, because this is more important. With that, Mr. Chairman, may I move that we issue a show cause order for the Mayor of Mabalacat for being absent in today's hearing? Because the reason that's stated by his lawyer as the city legal counsel, as city legal officer, is not valid with regards to this representation.
There's a motion to issue a show cause order to the Mayor of City of Mabalacat, duly seconded. Any objection? Hearing none, the said motion is now approved. The COMSEC is hereby directed to issue a show cause order. Okay.
Chairman, yung isa pang mayor, wala.
Municipality of Alayan, meron ba tayong tinanggap na reason for her absence? Si Mayor Lourdes Alejandrino. Like, can I ask the nagsabi po ba sila, Congressman Dong Gonzales?
They send the invitation to the mayor, and I don't know, Comsec, is she responded ba?
Thank you, Mr. Chair. We did not receive any excuse letter from Mayor Maria Lourdes Alejandrino.
Siguro, Chairman Paduano?
At the same Mr. Chairman, unless officially that communication for the mayor for this invitation to this hearing was not received, may we also move, Mr. Chairman, to issue a show cause order for the mayor that was mentioned by
there's another motion to issue a show cause order to the Mayor of Municipality of Alayan. Duly seconded. Any objection? Hearing none, the said motion is now approved. Okay.
Chairman,
go ahead. Go ahead.
I think the presence of this person is also important. Have we invited Barangay Captain Julito Trinidad of Barangay Batasan, Arayat, Pampanga?
What's the
yes, present.
Batasan, Julito Trinidad. Yeah.
Thank you, Chairman. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Captain, for coming.
Mr. Chairman.
Chairman Ako, you are recognized.
In the last hearing, I think we required the Philippine National Police to submit the detailed reports regarding the status of investigations for each of the 7 high-profile hearings discussed during the last hearing. Have they complied with this?
Concept, can you kindly answer the query of Congressman Ako?
Thank you, Mr. Chair. The committee received a communication from Police General Romel Marbil, the Chief of the PNP, in which he states that he has submitted a report from the Regional Director, Police Regional Office 3, regarding the details surrounding the death of Barangay Chairperson Mendoza. Only for that case, Mr. Chair. Thank you.
So, isang kaso lang ang they replied with?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
With all the 6 cases. For clarity, RD, Jean Pardo, you are recognized.
Sir, I was advised by the Provincial Director of Pampanga PPO that they already submitted earlier
this one.
the case folder of the 6
Okay,
incidents.
alright. Just ngayon lang nyo sinabmit, babasahin na. Okay, so pwede perusal ang Congressman ako ito here. So, yung sinabmit ko, basahin muna natin. At di muna siguro, tigisa muna ang members para at least maintindihan natin lang. So next time around, if ever that we'll be asking for the documents submitted earlier, para at least po na iintindihan din po namin. Kasi mahirap na nag-hearing, tapos you will be submitting the document just right now. So, mahirap po tayo maintindihan lahat. Thank you so much, RD. Congratulations, RD.
Thank you po, sir.
Okay.
And our apologies, sir.
No problem. Okay, okay, so there's an excuse letter coming from General Nicolas D. Torre. We have the copy and I will be giving this to the members for your own perusal. Okay, so proceed na po tayo. Siguro simulan muna natin sa... Sir, you want to have a konting opening statement lang po?
Well, salamat Mr. Chairman to our resource persons from all various sectors in government, the PNP, the LGUs, the mayors, all barangay captains and city councilors and municipal councilors of Mabalacat, San Fernando, and Rayat na nandito po sila ngayon. Pasensya na po kayo kasi na-delay po yung ating hearing last Monday because binigyan po nating way yung National Rally for Peace ng ating mga kapatid sa Iglesia ni Cristo. Baka magagalit po kayo sa amin kasi ang dami-dami pong tao. Kaya the chairman and the members na kikinansel muna yung hearing natin last Monday. So now andito po tayo ngayon to continue yung mga aligasyon ng nangyayari sa ating probinsya, lalong-lalo na sa ating distrito. 7 cases, and of course there's a new one. Itong kay tinatanong ako ng mga media kung nakasama na to. Sabi ko nga, naka-file na to before pinadala ng death threat si Kapitan Du Santos ng San Agustin of City of San Fernando. And then the mayor of City of Mabalacat, meron din daw po mga 5 death threat na pinadala sa ating mga kapitan sa Mabalacat. Kaya they are all here this morning to shed light kung ano po ang nangyari doon sa inyong bayan sa siyudad ng Mabalacat. Kaya nandito po tayo para mapag-usapan at matukoy, ma-resolve kung ano man po yung nangyayari sa ating probinsya. I don't know if this is personal, professional, or political, business man yan. Hindi po natin alam kung ano ang root nangyayari sa ating probinsya. As I've said, Pampanga is the heart of Central Luzon. At kilalang-kilala po tayo na napakatahimik na bansa, napakatahimik na probinsya. That's why we are here. So, Mr. Chairman, maraming salamat po sa inyong pag-lead nitong hearing na to. And I would like to congratulate our new Regional Director, Director Jean Pajardo. Sana po makatulong ko po kayo sa katahimikan na parating na eleksyon. Wala po kaming ibang inihingi sa inyo, just level the playing field. Sana po walang dugong tumulo, walang mamamatay. Kawawa po yung mga pamilya, lalong-lalo na itong mga ating mga barangay chairman na talagang gusto ko umiral yung respeto, hindi yung takot, pabayaan yung ating mga kababayan na pumili kung sino yung karapat-dapat kung eleksyon ang pinag-uusapan. That's why I'm urging you, my fellow workers in government, that we hope and pray na sana po itong parating na midterm election matahimik at sana po walang mangyaring masama sa ating lalawigan. So yun lang po, Mr. Chairman. Maraming salamat to my fellow legislators who are here this morning. Thank you for attending this very important hearing. Thank you very much, Mr. Chairman.